Hi guys, today we will fish in Blox Fruit's new update. Let's see what I get. I hope it's something good. And be sure to like and subscribe. I will friend the first 5 comments that comment their username.
Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão.